Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in case you haven't noticed, this is Moses, aka Tom Speeches and Jerry. Break it down. So today we want to be talking about the reverse point. Yeah, the reverse point strategy. That's what we want to be talking about today. Okay, so how to enter a trade using the reverse point. And the best thing about this reverse point is that it can be noted on the higher time frame, say 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 time frame, even down to the lower time frame. So let's start using the reverse point from the 1 hour time frame, which is one of the higher time frame we'll be using for this, reverse point strategy. Okay, starting from higher time frame, reverse point is actually a place of retest, from a support and resistance, then the market turning the support into a resistance. So that's called the reverse point. Okay, and that's exactly what we want to be talking about today. A good reverse point is air. Look at these pots, these resistant pots. Yeah, then the market turns it towards support, and that is a good place to take your trade. And that's what I call the reverse point. Yeah, the reverse point. What do I call it? The reverse. The reverse of the trade. Now look at this trade. Look at it here. Okay, this is a support, isn't it? It is support. Then the market pushed down. It's a resistance rather. I'm sorry for that. It's a resistance. The market pushed down to touch the support, then went up and break it. You see this giant bullish candlestick? Let me zoom in. You see that giant bullish candlestick? The market went up to touch a support and a resistance at the top, then came back to turn that previous resistance area to a support. And that's when you enter your trade. Once you see a bullish engulf candlestick, do you see that bullish engulf candlestick? Yeah, you enter your trade and you see what happened. We need to check this out. Yeah, let's zoom out. You see what happened? The market started pushing, you see, moving up bullish. The market continued being bullish till then. And that's one of my best strategies. You see how the market moved? The market moved to that's a lot of peep. I don't even need to measure this. That's a lot of imagine from A down to this spot. Wow, that's a lot from A moving up, then coming back, moving up, coming back, moving up. And actually that reverse point, most people call it the place at which the market make higher highs, okay, and higher lows. Now look at this market again. From these reverse points, the first reverse point is A and A. The second one, now let's note the second reverse point. Here it is. Here it is. This spot you're looking at here. So look at it again here. Yeah. You see it there? Yeah, that's the second reverse point. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry about that. So let me just note it again where you want to enter your trade. So why do I call it a reverse point? Now look at it here. The market was once, I need to adjust this. I'm sorry. So the market was once a resistance, From this resistance, break it, then turn it to a support, okay? Then again, turn it to another support. It touches it twice, then you're going to enter your trade from there. So the first reverse point started A. Yeah, it started A. So if you're looking for a reverse point, the market break it, then touch it again, then break it, okay? After turning this resistance to a support, it went up, forming a little resistance here. That little resistance, break it, then turn it to support, then break it, then turn it to retouch it again another time. Then the market started going up. Okay, look at those peep. You see that movement? The market keep moving up. So those are area of reverse point. I call it reverse point, and it's my strategy. So I've been using this strategy and it's been profitable for me. That's why I decided to make video on it. I know you guys will so much like it. And this reverse point, you can note it both on higher time frame and on lower time frame. We're using this reverse point on 1 hour time frame. Now let's go to the lower time frame, say 5 minutes. Okay, that's one of my favorite lower time frame. 5 minutes. I like using the 5-minute lower time frame. Okay, so now let's look for another reverse point in this 5-minute time frame. Okay. And I told you it's a good strategy that you can use on both higher time frame and lower time frame. Okay, so let's just keep back testing it. I want to look for a good example. You can use it to buy and you can as well use it to sell. Okay, it's a very easy strategy. The reverse point. It's a very easy strategy to use. So I'm looking for a very good opportunity to sell. Okay, here's another sell opportunity on lower time frame. A sell opportunity is there. Okay, down to this spot. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, the market here make a little rejection, which is a support, then eventually went up, then break it with a giant bearish candle. Mostly the candlestick that break it is mostly they are giant candlestick. So once you see huge or strong, maybe bearish or bullish candlestick, you are very good to you know that this is going to be a breakout. You can even trade this in twice. Look at this. This is a support. Then the market break it. After breaking it, touch it again, then started going down. If you trade reverse, or no, if you trade breakout, this is your entry point. If you trade in breakout, this is where you enter your trade. Then you sell. But you are not trading, the breakout. You are trading the reverse point. This is the reverse of it. You see, the reverse is right over here. Oh, this is it. I need to use an arrow. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. This is the reverse. Okay. This is the breakout. A breakout, then retouch it, then started coming down. But this is the reverse. That's what you want to be trading. That's what the strategy is all about. Then after this reverse, you wait for a bullish candlestick or pin bar. This is a pin bar. After a pin bar, then you see what the market did. The market makes some huge engulf candlestick. And look at those candlesticks. You see how massive they are. You see them? They follow each other. And that's a very good reverse. But you see the market start coming down, so many hours throughout the day, probably a lot of giant candlesticks. So that's what the reverse point is all about. That strategy, you can use it even on stock, indices, volatility, crypto. I use it on most of my crypto and it's worked perfectly well. It's called the reverse point. So you can use it to buy, you can use it to sell, you can use it in a 1 hour time frame, you can use it in a lower time frame, even in volatility, you can use it for it. It's a very good strategy. So if you really enjoy this strategy, okay, now look at it. There's another reverse point here. Okay, another one here. So if you really enjoy this strategy, please do me a favor, click the subscribe button. I really appreciate it if you do. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the best time for you to. And look at it. Look at the reverse point. Yeah. After making some weak rejection here, you see, rejection which is telling you that it's a support, then you break it, then came back to touch it. No, that's a reverse point. And all you need is a giant bearish candlestick. And you see that candlestick? Yeah, the candlestick is a giant bearish candle. You see? After that, the market started moving downward. And if you're good at reversal, since you already sold here, since you sold the market here, you sold it here, okay, then there's another resistance here. So you can buy here, you sell here, you buy here. Those are your entry if you're going to be using this reverse point strategy. So then you can just keep following the market. So backtest this strategy. It's a very simple strategy. I love using it, and I want you guys to grow your account. I want you to grow your account. That's why I decided to share my strategy with you, the one that has been making profit for me. That's why I decided to share with you. So please, in return, do me a favor, smash the subscribe button. Just click on it. It doesn't cost you anything to click on it. So please click on the subscribe button. Like this video. I really appreciate it if you do. Thank you very much.